There's a concept called think, know, feel, do. Think, know, feel, do. That's how you can build the best world-class experiences. Think, know, feel, do. Here's why. How are you going to think? That's your first one. How are you going to think before you walk out the door, before you put on your pants? Hopefully it's in the reverse order. Before you put on your pants, before you walk out the door, how are you going to think? What's your mindset? Mindset's magic. Mindset. In the Midwest, we called it attitude. It's the same thing. What's your attitude? What's your mindset? Once you know what you think, then how do you want to know what that's going to promote? What do you know with your thinking? I know that I'm going to give the best damn effort I can tonight. I'm so excited for Melissa Manchester, even though I've never seen her. I'm excited to see the people. I'm excited to find the people in the crowd who I've seen for years, right? You know this. The people who are excited to come back are really excited to see you too. Oh, it's the best kind of connection. Yay! That's why you're never just a volunteer. You're never just an ambassador. You're never just the backstage. Get rid of just from your language. Get rid of it. It's a dismisser. And Marlene, that doesn't work for me, and I bet it doesn't work for you either. Just is a dismisser. Get rid of it. Think, know, feel. Ooh, I am one of those Legos we're building. To feel is where it really starts kicking in. Feeling is where anticipation becomes belonging. You're here because you want to belong. I mean, you look around the room and you see how you're all sitting. This is fascinating. It's like informal R&D. You ever gone to a movie show by yourself and not sat directly next to somebody you didn't know? Have you ever sat directly next to somebody you didn't know at a movie? Okay, do that more. Seriously, do it more. People are starving for connection. Doesn't mean you have to talk with them. It simply means you are close. Do what's comfortable for you. And I challenge myself because I think, what if that person sitting there is somebody I really can learn something from? Is somebody who's got something to teach me? Is somebody that I can serve and give back to? Maybe they're even a new volunteer. Maybe I can recruit them. Maybe I can sell them a ticket. Maybe is where possibility lives. Think, no, feel. And then we do. We step into the zone of activation. Wonder Twins. Anybody know that one? Activate, thank you. Old Super Friends cartoon. Yes, I'm 52 years old. I grew up with the Super Friends and cartoons on Saturday morning. And there's the Wonder Twins, and they activate. They make stuff happen, just like you. Just like you, just like all of us. The doing is where the rubber proverbially and literally hits the road. That's when the guest gets in their car. It's not when they hit the parking lot or the doors or their seat. They start doing well beyond, well before they step into this fabulous facility. Think, know, feel, do. Use that if it's useful. I like to run through that because I think, oh, is my mindset? Am I in the right state of being? Am I ready to do this? And frankly, give yourself a pass. Give yourself a permission slip. We put a lot of pressure on ourselves. Don't do that. You're not a pressure cooker. You're a person. We're not making a batch of pasta. We're changing lives. You decide which one is more important. But I think changing lives is pretty important. I think you do too. You wouldn't be here if you didn't feel that way. Yeah, you get to change lives. The magic, the guest experience is so magic because we all know what it feels like to have a crappy one. Make this fabulous campus a category of one. Help people think that it's the only place that they want to go.
Are your teams struggling to feel connected right now? Is the ongoing COVID coaster really taking a toll? Well, then it's time for us to have a conversation. Ginger here. We help you and your teams master human connection, to be connected, to stay connected, to feel connected, because that's when we do our best work. That's how we keep going. If you're ready for that conversation, reach out. Let's talk about what we offer as it can help you and your team match your goals, your vision, and keep you going.